Hiyo uoga,
therefore fear,
inaweza kukutesa miaka mingi.
It can make you suffer for years.
Kuna mtu anaweza ingia kwa nyumba,
there are people can get into the house,
akiona tu zile marido zinacheza cheza,
when they see those curtains to play
yeye
around,
anafikiria kuna mtu.
they always think there's someone hiding there.
Kwa rumu kwenye giza peke yake.
He doesn't get into a room that is dark alone.
Uoga.
That is fear.
Uoga ni silaha mbaya.
Fear is a very bad weapon
ambayo shetani anatumia.
that Satan is using.
Shetani anakuoneshaga
Satan will show you that you are in the midst of the night and then you see just there is maybe a grave somewhere. That nothing you see, you look at yourself, the way you're dying, the way you are burying you, the way you're not able to breathe. Then you begin thinking so much. Fear is a very bad weapon. But this morning I want to tell you someone. God did not give us the spirit of fear. Let that spirit of fear get out of you. That spirit, when you look at yourself in the mirror and you say, oh, I'm getting old, I will not get married, I will not give birth, I will not go there, I will not make it. Who told you that? That elderly people are never blessed. Who told you? Who told you that those elderly women never give birth? Who told you? Nowadays it's very bad, I know. Someone has 60 years and they get pregnant. Someone has 65, 70 is getting married with a big wedding. But because of fear, you're only 25 years old. And you're already afraid. You're saying, oh, this one has got a problem. You begin to do all the dirty things. For you just to say that, let me get into marriage. Because life or time is passing. Fear.